NCP now has said that the matter surrounding Narendra Modi in the 2002 riots must rest after SIT's clean chit. Let's listen in.
Well, I don't want to comment on anybody's interview, but the fact is that, you see, we are in an era where we believe that the judicial system is the final recourse to getting justice on any issue or to bring a finality to any controversy. And if the judicial system has given any pronouncement, I think we ought to respect it and we need not question it further. Politics is not only about the judicial system, politics is also about perception. And I think it is important political parties, I think we, go to the people based on the perception, what we believe in. And I think that perception is not for us alone to believe, it is for the people to believe what we say. And I think that is most important. In terms of any interview, there's no point to comment because it is for each one to give his or her version. But the fact remains that perception today is important, and if the judicial system has given a certain finality to any controversy, I think we should let it rest there.
Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan joining us on this story. Madhav, is the NCP now has it made its mind that it is going to sever the alliance with the Congress? Or is it going to walk out of the UPA? Or is it keeping its options open ahead of the 2014 elections? What do we make out of this statement by Praful Patel? Are there larger implications?
In fact, Praful Patel saying two things really very significantly over there, saying that at one level, if the matter has been decided by the judiciary, it should rest there. At the same time, also saying that if there are perceptions about certain issues in politics, politicians take those perceptions to the people and not necessarily as far as judicial matters are concerned. So two very significant statements that Praful Patel has made over there. At one level, of course, choosing to sort of justify what Rahul has made, but also saying that if a matter has been decided upon, if justice has been done, then the matter should rest there. So clearly, of course, a very significant statement coming out from the Heavy Industries Minister and senior leader of the NCP. Certainly, of course, at this point of time, it seems that NCP is keeping all its options open.